Hello everyone. I have been wanting a chicken sandwich, so today I made me one, bariatric style of course. I started with chicken breast and I split them so they're not so thick, a little bit easier to cook. They cook pretty fast, a little bit of light season. I want to show you that process, and if you like it, try it out. So I've got some chicken breast. I've actually cut these in half and just kind of laid them over to where they're not as thick. I'm going to put these with a little bit of Lowry seasoned salt. My taste has changed a lot since I've had my surgery, so it doesn't take a whole lot of seasoning for me anymore. But I'm going to lightly coat these with a little bit of Lowry's. Then I'm going to put them on the grill, and then I'll come back and show you how everything is going to be put together. All right, I got my chicken breast on the grill. I'm going to let those cook. Won't take long. I'll come back and put together my sandwich for you and give you the macros as well. All right, I just turned my chicken over. It's really looking good. Stay tuned. My chicken turned out real well. Got good grill marks on it. Didn't take it long to cook. I'm using 2 Mission 0 net carb tortillas. I've got one for the bottom, one for the top. I've got a little lettuce. I did put on a 1 tablespoon of Miracle Whip. I'm also adding the dill pickles to mine, because I like the hamburger dill chips pretty well. And I want to add a couple of onion rings, sliced rings of onion on mine, just to give it a little bit of flavor. That's my sandwich. This is quick, it's easy. This whole meal is about 270 calories. I used 3 3/4 ounces of chicken. When it got done, where I've split it, it weighed out about 3 3/4 ounces. So you're looking at about 270 calories, 31 grams of protein. So this is a great protein meal. So you want to get your protein level up, and it's very healthy because I did use chicken breast. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.